Hi. I'm here today with my traveler's notebook, which is my planning system, and I'm gonna give you a little detailed look of what exactly is inside my traveler's notebook. I'm using my camel cover, which I kind of love. It's originally I wanted the kind of old one, which doesn't have this kind of suede feeling, but it's really difficult to find. So like a year and a half ago I bought this one, and I think it has aged quite nicely. The back looks horrible to me. It's all the stains and it looks kind of dirty, but it's fine. Let's get into it. So this pen is my Kaweco Lilliput copper. I bought this 7 years ago, I think, and it's still my favorite. It also traveled along with me in many places. And this one is one of the Muji erasable ballpoint pens, which I use to mark down in my planner things that are like plans but not things that might get cancelled, you know, so that I can just erase it if it does get cancelled. My first pocket here is basically just for decoration. I don't know why I bought this one. It's the I don't remember what they call this. But it's here for decoration, and I just like how it looks with the stickers and all of these things inside. So in here is a postcard from Jane. I think this is from like September 2017. I really like her vibe and her stuff, so I keep it here just because it looks pretty. So that is that. Next one is the Travelers Company plastic folder, which I also covered with stickers, obviously. I like how it looks when you have stickers kind of everywhere. Here's the other side. Let's see what's in here. It's not that much things, actually. Wait. Here's a little piece of a mantra that I keep in here. A sticker that I'm saving maybe for my next journal cover. Tampere is my hometown in Finland. A little dog. This is from Sticky Club envelope. And I have some quotes that I've printed. Then sometimes I just use them in my journaling. Just take one and put it in my journal. This is a sticker I got from a local health food or like a health shop. They also sell cosmetics, like natural cosmetics. Then these are hamsters. They're not sticky notes, they're not stickers, they're just cute. This is me and my boyfriend some time ago. A little cutout from I think an incense pack. It's a picture I was supposed to put in my journal like a year ago, and it's still here. And these are just some really basic planning stickers that I sometimes use when I remember. So that's all that you can find in this one. I used to also keep these in there, but I noticed I never use them because they're kind of hidden in here. These are really nice, but unfortunately they're fake. I think I got them from AliExpress once. And yeah. Then we have my monthly insert, which is the Travelers Company undated monthly, which I have already dated until next year, November. Some stickers found from a local shop. And then I started using this last month in October. So here's the October page. Then we are here in November. December, January, and then the rest of the months are just empty. I also have my bills tracker. I track everything I have to pay every single month, like my rent, every single one of my bills, just everything. And then I check when it's paid so that I can stay on track of what is paid and what is not paid. I could not live without this thing. I think I've done this for 2 years now. Then I have some sticky notes handy in here. And then we have the Travelers Company craft paper folder. Some Sticky Club stickers. These are cute. I use these in my weekly pages to keep track of things that I have to buy, like when we run out of like things like rice or toilet paper or honey or whatever, then I just make a reminder here. Then these are stickers from Moleskine. I still don't know how you pronounce that brand, but I think you all understand what I mean. I bought a few of these really old ones, like 2002 and 2003 18-month daily Moleskines, which is massive. It's like this thick. So these stickers came along with them. I bought them for journaling, maybe because if you followed my Instagram is Hello I Love Journals. I changed it a while ago because there was a strange situation with a stalker, so I changed my Instagram name. So if you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen my struggle with getting a new Moleskine expanded because it's so expensive. And then even if I find it on sale on Amazon or something, then the shipping will be like 15 to 20 euros. So it doesn't really make a difference for me here in Finland. But I bought the old daily planners. They were like 9 euros each, and I bought them from Amazon Germany. And when I signed up for the first time in Amazon Germany, I got free shipping. So now I have 2 of these gigantic, massive books. They have the wrong dates, but you can cover them up with stickers, washi, or correction tape. So I don't mind that. You'll be seeing that probably at some point. These are really nice stickers. I love these. I bought them last summer from a little paper shop in Helsinki. I've used quite a lot of these. I think this is one of my favorites. Then I have the Travelers Company. I think these ones are really old. I've had these for ages, but I sometimes use them in my planner whenever I remember. Okay. And then we have my weeklies. They are the Travelers Company free diary. It's the weekly plus memo, so it's the horizontal one. I love the horizontal layout. I have tried many times the vertical ones because I just love how some people make it look so amazing, but it just doesn't work for me. So that's okay. If you checked out my last video, you have seen some of these pages. This is just a mess. I don't really have use for these pages here, so it's like whatever Here the weeks start from the last week of September. And I love using this insert. It's been really good. It really works for me. Here's this week, and I'll be also doing a video from my pages that I filled out in November, which will include a more detailed look in the weekly pages, in the monthly page, and also my daily journal. So that will be coming up next week when the month is changing. Here's next week. I usually decorate like a week or two in advance, just because I like it and I like to have something to do with my hands. And then we have the empty ones. But I can't believe this is almost already halfway through this insert. Here we have more sticky notes in case I need it. And the other side of the craft folder, we have some, oh my god, my brain is not braining. What is this? La Dolce Vita. Yeah, La Dolce Vita girls. Here, and then some plant flower stickers. These are from Sticky Club, and I really like these. They're like tiles. This is one of my favorites, which is why I've been hoarding this for months, barely using it. Then I have cats, more cats. I think these are so cute. And then this little sticker pack that has these cute small stickers. And I use these all in my planner. Like when there's a space that I want to fill, I just stick a sticker in there. For example, in the monthlies, like today, I basically had no plans, so sticker it is. And I use these tabs to mark the month and the week, so it's like easy access here. These tabs, the monthly tabs here, I made myself. I kind of like how they look. Then we have the other side of the plastic folder. More sticky notes. Wow. I guess I should have covered this up. I don't know if you can see what that said anyways, but here I have some of the, like, these are like tabs, And I like how you can move and reuse these. Then we have little dots, little triangles, more tabs, more little dots, and some bigger dots. They all live in here. And then the last one, again, more sticky notes. Then some stickers. Got cats, moody cats. Got pandas. Then I got dogs. I'm not really that big of a dog person. I do love dogs, but cats are my thing. But these are really cute also. I love putting these in my monthly planner. Then some icons. These have been with me forever. They're from Sticky Club. Same with these, just some cute little dots with kind of a dreamy space theme. Fish. These are my absolute favorite. It's cats in boxes and cats in bags. I love these. And then some arrows. I like to use them when, for example, I have a plan in my monthly planner and then it gets moved to the next day or something. Then I just put an arrow in there whenever I remember. Most of the time I do not remember, and I just draw the arrow. And then I'm like, oh jeez, I could have used a sticker. But that is fine. So they are in here. And that's what is in my traveler's notebook at this time. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you want to see next. Okay. See you next time.